Want to give you guys a quick update on the freaky flashing light phenomena. Guys, it's still going on in full force. I get videos every single day of flashing lights from all around the world. I'm just going to share a few that I get from time to time, but I keep updating the map. We're now at 207 and counting just in the United States. I've got footage from Denmark, Australia, and everywhere in between. Here's a few examples that I've received here recently. Some of these have narration.
This is so scary. This is so eerie. I probably should take shelter. Making this quick video, I am currently at an Amazon. I work for Amazon as a truck driver. We're all parked out here. Some people are resetting, but this is the first time dealing with the blinking lights that everybody was talking about. And it seems to be only that one and these over here. Everything else is normal. So 1, 2, 3. And this fourth one, I didn't know what was going on. I thought it was a truck, like a tow truck out here the whole time while I was asleep. So it's been blinking like this, like, all night. It's currently almost 10:30 in Appleton, Georgia.
Rosecrans and Beach in La Mirada, California. For Mr. MBB333. So this is pretty weird. Flashing lights, La Mirada, California. Like a disco strobe light.
Isn't that wild? That last video was from Steve out of La Mirada, California. The second video was by Rochelle Carter out of Georgia. You can see it was foggy during that incident of flashing lights. And then this incident here, this could have been during a storm. Video sent in by Denise Campos, by Jake from February of 2025. You can see the entire city block just went dark. Looks like maybe this was during a storm. So this one here could be rationalized, but these other ones that are occurring like this all around the world, they're trying to tell us a story, guys. Exactly what this story is, we'll just have to wait and see, but the flashing light phenomena continues. It is in full force all around the world.